Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify using DSers. Now I'm going to be showing you, like I said, step-by-step on how you can do that. Now what I like about DSers is in just one click, you can start importing products from AliExpress, and you also ship the products and add the tracking numbers to orders. I'm going to be showing you how you can use this, how you can do this in a few seconds. Okay. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to download DSers. You want to go to your own Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels and click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now, in the next step, you want to search for DSers. Okay. Now, like I said, DSers helps you guys import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Now, it helps you connect AliExpress to Shopify. Okay, as you can see here in the app page, it says here AliExpress dropshipping solution, the new standard to process hundreds of orders at once, faster than ever before. Find new products and suppliers to sell always more. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can use this in a few seconds. Now you want to click on install, and after that you want to then click again on install. Okay, in the next page you want to click on install. All right, now what you guys need to do next is you need to create an account on DSers. Okay, because I already have an account. It says here login and authorize. I already have an account on DSers, so you just need to click on create account. Okay, now I'm going to click confirm because I already, like I said, have an account on DSers. Now after you are on this page, what you guys need to do next is relink. Okay, I'm going to link my own Shopify store right now. I'm going to click on update. Now, okay, so what you guys need to do now to start importing products from AliExpress from AliExpress to Shopify, you need to click on home in the top left, and you want to click on Chrome extension. Okay, now after that you want to click on add to Chrome, and you want to click on add extension. Now, by the way, your own Shopify is already linked to DSers, so there is no need to link it again. Okay, the moment you create an account in DSers, you already link DSers to Shopify. Now after that you want to pin this extension in the top. You want to click where you can see all your extensions, and you want to click on this pencil or pin icon here. Make sure you can see here DSers in the top. All right, now what you guys need to do now is you want to go to AliExpress, and you want to find any product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. Sorry. Now, any product you open now, you will find this option here where it says add to DSers. Now that's the reason why you need to download this extension. Now you want to click on add to DSers, and from DSers you can then import from DSers to Shopify. Okay, now after you click on that, you want to go back to home page of DSers, as you can see here, and you want to click on import list, and here you will find all the products that you have imported from AliExpress to DSers, and these exact products you can import into Shopify. Now you just need to click on this push button, push to store, and here you just need to select the store that you want to import this product to. So I'm going to import this to 2 stores. Here you can change this, also publish to an online store, continue selling, going out of stock. I don't recommend checking this. Now after you are finished, then you just need to click on push to stores. Now after you click on push to stores, this exact product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Now you just need to go to Shopify, and you want to click on products, and you will find these products here. Now if someone buys this product, then DSers will be able, guys, to ship the product automatically to the customers, but you need to add the money to DSers so that you can use that money to ship the orders to your customers. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Okay, as you can see here, if you click on, for example, on tracking, you can see here stores that are available, but this only available on the is a paid feature. Okay, it says here, please upgrade your plan to activate it. Activate tracking to raise the tracking status of the orders that has been shipped. You don't really need this option, okay, if you are just starting out. Now, like I said, after you push the products or import products from AliExpress to Shopify, you just need to promote these products. Okay, for example, this one, you just need to promote these products on, for example, TikTok or Facebook ads, and start getting sales. Okay, and that's it. Hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.